Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a whipped wax candle with a texture just like cream. I will use S16 soy wax, which has a naturally creamy consistency and is ideal for this type of candle shape. I will melt the wax in my wax melter. This is a new addition to my setup, but if you don't have one, you can easily use a pitcher with a double boiler or a microwave. You've seen me using these methods many times in my previous videos. Once the wax is melted, I will measure 200 ml of it and add 12 ml of fragrance oil, which represents 6%, and then add the dye. Now I will pour the mixture into a container that's not hot so that the wax can cool properly. Then I will let it sit while I do the decoration and come back to it later. For the decorations, I will use PM7 wax. This wax has a firm but smooth textures, holds details very well, and is perfect for decorative elements because it sets nicely. Since I discovered this wax, I no longer need to make my usual mix of 80% soy wax and 20% beeswax. But if you don't have it, you can continue using the same mix with great results. I will keep using 6% fragrance oil and I will adjust the dye color depending on the shapes that I'm making. Now I'm gonna make some leaves and orange slices. I will heat the molds first with a heat gun to get better results. After letting the wax sit, it's time for unmolding. For my candle, I'm gonna use a regular ice cream cup, which you can find in any store. I got mine, for example, from IKEA. I will wipe it with a tissue and some sanitizing alcohol, then fix the wick into the center. I'm gonna use a Stabilo 18 wick, which is perfect for the diameter of my candle, around 8 centimeters. Remember the wax that I set aside to cool? Now it's time to whip it with the mixer until it reaches a creamy and fluffy consistency. Once that's done, transfer it into a piping bag and start decorating your candle. This is how the wax should look, and I'm really happy with the result. So let's get started. Such a bad luck. Can you believe it? I ran out of storage while filming the candle. But no worries, I got a new candle ready, so I'll continue with that. Now that the candle is ready, it's time to trim the wick. And here is the final result. Actually, there are two candles. Even though I didn't manage to film the first one, it was still made and looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed watching and that my two beautiful candles made with two different piping bags and all the material shows earlier to inspire you to try it yourself. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you!